Hi guys, recently I got an email from YouTube regarding copyright claim. So today I'm gonna teach you how to remove that copyright claim in seconds. So you can see that video cannot be monetized because it has some copyright content and this is the content which is used. So how to remove it? Stick around, I'll show you how. So simply you will open your channel and you will locate the video where your copyright claim exists and then click on the see details. After clicking here, then you have this option of select actions. Simply click on the select action. Now you can trim out that segment, like you can cut that segment, you can replace the song, you can mute, or you can claim the dispute. If you are the owner of that music, or if you have used it from any paid form, then obviously you can file a dispute. But right now, since I've used Filmora and obviously whenever I'm using the Filmora music, I didn't ever receive copyright claim, but somehow I got this claim, so I just want to remove it. So I will just click on the replace song to see where exactly uh, the copyright claim segment lies. So you can see it's in the end only. It's my outro, so it won't affect my video actually. So I'll simply check this sound and replace it. So here I'll check both the sounds. Let's see which sounds work best for me. So I think the first one is better. So I'll choose the first one and click on add and then simply click on the save. Now save again and now it will take a while to process and bam. And you can see now the process is done. Next saying video editing in progress, the process might take a while. So obviously after some time now simply you need to close this and you see it's the status is changed to checking and after 1 or 2 hours and sometimes they do it quickly, your copyright claim will be removed. I hope this video is really helpful for you. Please give a like, subscribe my channel and don't forget to share with others.